everyone, I'm Nikhila Hegde and this is Yummy Street. Today's episode is a special one for two reasons. First one, I'm reviewing a fast food restaurant. Till now, I have gone to small nooks and crannies, rural places. So this one is a new type of episode. And one more reason is I am reviewing it with a special person, my brother Anirudh Pai. So let's review Ice and Spice. This is a newly opened restaurant in Anantashayana, Karkala. Let's see what and all they have to offer. As you can see, the interior looks really cool. So I am talking to Mr. Vinod, the owner of this place. Hello.
Hi.
When did you open this restaurant?
From February 11th, I have opened this restaurant. From
2021.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a fairly new place. So what was the idea behind this place?
No, I just wanted to introduce some good items, just as pizza, burgers to Karkala.
Yeah.
I saw some same types of restaurants in Manipal, Mangalore. So I wanted to introduce it to Karkala. Yeah.
So what are your timings like? From when are you open?
From morning 10:30 to night 10:30. Due to now COVID restrictions, we're stopping at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock.
So what do you think? What will you say are the special items that are available only here?
Actually, main thing is burger, pizza. We are concentrating on sandwiches, which are too much repeatedly customer asking for it. And by the evening time, from 3:30 to 7:30, we have started now chats, just as kachoris, masal puri, and sev puri, and these things, vada pav. So due to demand of the people, yeah. During the lockdown time, so many people ask for that by ordering these items. So now the demand has been created, and they are asking for these items again and again.
So you deliver also, right?
Yeah, we deliver also.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, so like you heard Mr. Vinod saying, this place offers pizzas and burgers, and in Karkala we have not seen a place which caters to this particular taste as of yet. So the kachori chaat is here. Let's try. It's very crispy, lot of dahi and sev and some chutneys inside. Really nice, highly recommended. Sweet, tangy, spicy, all rolled into one. I think it's better eaten with hand. Nice, right?
It's really good.
So this is the mushroom pizza. Very gooey, lots of mozzarella. Really fresh. The base is really soft and crispy. Lots of veggies. A little spicy. So this is the cheese taco wrap. There's lot of cheese, lot of vegetables. Super hot.
It's really good.
Really spicy and very beautiful flavor. Do try this. Highly recommend it. So the burgers are here. So I'm trying the paneer burger and Anirudh is trying the veg burger. Okay. The paneer patty is really crisp and nicely spiced, and it's very thick also. There's a lot of cheese and vegetables and everything. Very nice. You like this one?
I'll be honest, like this is the crispiest patty I've ever had on a burger.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah. And I like the cheese flavor which was coming along with the bite itself. So it's pretty good. Yeah.
Yes. Definitely recommend it.
Yeah.
This is the Punjabi samosa and it is served with some sweet tamarind chutney.
Cheers. You can see the smoke coming out of the samosa.
Really hot. Super fresh. And the outside layer is just crumbling. No, it's
Yes.
very, very nice. Super. Double thumbs up.
Triple.
This is the cola float. I have not tasted this anywhere in Karkala till now. Coca-Cola and ooh, it's all coming up with ice cream. Nice, tangy, really chilled. Do try this one when you come here. So this is the potato tornado. This is basically potato on a stick, deep fried with mayo. Very crispy, very yummy. So here is another chaat item, masal puri. Let's try. Nice and spicy. Let's try the royal faluda. It looks really pink. Begin. And it's really sweet. A great dessert option. Okay, so this is the sugar-free gatbad. It is a specialty which is available only at this place, Ice and Spice. So all the diabetics out there, if you want to satisfy your sweet tooth, this is it. Just to clarify, I'm not a diabetic, but this is super yummy. I can't make out that it's sugar-free ice cream or I don't see any difference in taste. It's equally yummy. Really good. So this Ice and Spice restaurant is in Anand Shaina Circle in Karkala. I really like this restaurant. Good fast food and fresh ingredients. Everything was super yummy and good quality, right?
Absolutely.
Even the cheeses, the buns, the base, everything was really nice. Do make it a point to visit this place. I gave it a double thumbs up. and he joins me in this, my brother. For more interesting places like this, keep watching Yummy Street.